Ladies and gentlemen, it's King Wolf here in Penfield, New York. We got a major storm going on here. It just hit us a few seconds ago and it's already coming down like this, crazy as all hell. It's coming out of the drain pipes and everything, coming off the roof and everything, as you can see. And it's crazy as hell. It's just sliding right off the roof, as you can see. Look at that fucking shit. Thunder, lightning, and everything in the air. Listen to that roar. Now tell me that ain't crazy as fuck. Yeah. Well, I didn't even know anything about this weather. These clouds just came in and everything came down. It's just coming down like hell. Coming down even harder, as you can hear. Whoa, did you see that? There goes some lightning. More thunder. How crazy is this? My neighbor's bird bath is going to fill it with water. But look at this. Look at that water in the streets. Look at the water down at the end of my driveway. Always floods down there. It's crazy as hell, people. I just had to show you this because, man, I might need to update my new phone by getting me a new phone because the battery is fucked on it. So, I mean, it don't hold a charge worth shit anymore. But I'm taking this video. I don't care how long it takes, so I can post it to YouTube. And this is my Weather Channel video, and I'm going to post it. But look at this. Oh my God, it's really coming down. Holy shit. I'm King of Wolf. I got TikTok, I got Instagram, I got Messenger, I got Facebook, I got all the apps, and I even got TikTok. Tickety tock. Tickety tock. Who wants to see the clock? Well, I'll be back with another update. Please enjoy the video. I'll be back with another weather update in a little bit. See what this storm does. Because I do believe it's going to go around and come back. It has a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder to it. God bless. Drive safe. Stay safe.